Good morning everybody, happy bank holiday and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday the 29th of May. It is the May bank holiday, so I'm going on a little adventure. For those of you who don't know, I live in Gloucester, and every year on the end of May bank holiday, Gloucester have a tradition of doing this thing called the Gloucester Cheese Roll in. So that is where I'm off to today. You'll see in my footage later anyway, but essentially what happens is there's a 5 kilogram wheel of cheese. They throw it down the hill and people compete to chase the cheese down the hill. So yeah, that's where I'm off to. So it's just after 9:30 now and I'm just walking. The hill's about 2 miles away from my house, and then I've obviously got to climb up the hill to go and watch. So I am now in Brockworth. It's just a bit further up this road until I reach the point where you access the hill to then walk up that. Actually, I can see the hill perfectly from here, so I will show you. That is the hill that I've got to climb, and I don't know if you can see, there's a patch down the middle without any trees on, and that's where people roll themselves down the hill. So yeah. But anyway, yeah, so I'm nearly at the point where I access the hill. Just before I get to there, there's like a Subway on the corner, so my plan is to go in Subway and pick up a sandwich to then take up the hill with me, and then I can have that for my lunch. The first race of the day starts at midday at 12 o'clock, and then I think they normally go on for like a couple of hours, or maybe it's less than that. To be fair, it's been a couple of years since I last went up and watched, so I can't remember myself entirely. But there's normally like a few different races. So yeah, my plan is to grab a Subway, take that up the hill, and then I'll sit and eat that whilst up there. So yeah, about to go through that field where there's this crowd of people to go up the hill. I just got my Subway as well, so all good. There was a massive queue in there. I felt really sorry. There was only one guy working, bless him. But yeah, anyway, entering the field now.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Nearly there guys, just up this last bit, and then where that house is, there's a road. We walk along that road, and then basically that means we've reached the bottom of the hill that they roll down. And then at the bottom of that hill, when we reach there, then it's just a case of walking up the side to find a spot where I want to sit to then actually watch the race. So yeah, several things I've seen whilst on my walk. A man wearing work shoes, like as in like smart work shoes, and I was like, don't really think that's wise when you literally have to walk through a field of cattle. And also someone decided to bring their bike up here. Again, don't recommend that either. We have made it guys, and that people is insane. And there's the hill. Cheese, 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 cheese.
Please, everyone, try to stay as safe as you can. Okay. 3 ready. 2 to be steady. 3 for the cheese.
Right, so cheese roll is now done. I've just come back off the main hill and I'm sat in the field part way down, like the walk bit up. So yeah, that was really good to watch. There were several injuries though this year, which wasn't very nice at all. The lady who won the women's downhill race, she like proper got knocked out, and I think she was unconscious for quite a while, so there was like loads of medics and stuff. And then in the final men's downhill race that they just did, a guy literally snapped his ankle and was just like laying there, and his ankle was like full on like hanging. So yeah, that wasn't very nice, but anyway, that's done with now. Now I'm just gonna walk back home. I haven't eaten my Subway because it was literally insane where I was stood and like you were trying to balance and it was really uncomfortable and like literally so muddy and my hands are covered in mud. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and then warm my Subway back up and eat that.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I am home and look at the state of my Subway. It's got a bit squashed. Anyway, I'm sure my Subway will still hopefully taste great. If I can even successfully get it out of the packet. Oh my god. I've never seen a Subway sandwich look as sad in my entire life before. Anyway, I got teriyaki, no, tikka chicken. I usually go for teriyaki, but I didn't. This time I went for tikka chicken, foot long on Italian bread, cheese and toasted, with lettuce, peppers, sweet corn, jalapenos, and then chipotle sauce. Anyway, let's have a little catch up. So, the cheese roll was definitely an experience. Also, there were people there from like all over the place, which I've been to it in the past and I've seen it before, and I don't remember before people coming from all over the place to go and see it, but one of the winners, the man who won the first downhill race, he was from Manchester. Then there was a guy that won the next downhill race, and he was from Washington State. And then there was like a couple of people in the crowd near me, and they'd flown in from California. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end the video here for today. I have got my Subway and I'm gonna go and enjoy this, probably sit outside in the sunshine because the sun's come out now. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed, hit that button and hit the bell to be notified when I next post. I will have some very exciting content on the way. I travel to Orlando, Florida in 2 weeks time. So yeah, shortly after, when I get back from that holiday, I will be editing and trying to upload videos from that trip as quickly as possible for you all. So yeah, stay tuned. See you all soon. Bye.